Dr. Mayanand Jha.
Your Lordship may allowed to file a counter affidavit.
Counter affidavit. It was filed long back.
Supplementary counter affidavit, Your Lordship.
And let me see the last order.
दे रहे हैं कहा ये ना सर आपको दे रहे हैं तो आप ये नहीं रहा है
ये साहब बोलेंगे
Yes, sir. Your Lordship may allow to me to file a supplementary counter. I am relying three annexures, Your Lordship. Annexures P, Q, and T. Yes, sir. P is a second so-called, Your Lordship, reply filed by the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Second,
So-called reply filed by the petitioner, Your Lordship. Then, Your Lordship, Q is there.
what is the date of issuance of second show cause notice?
3/3/2010.
3/6/2010.
10. Yes, Lordship.
What is the date of his reply?
28/6 maybe 2010, Your Lordship.
28/6/2010.
10.
Reply.
G. And then, Your Lordship, annexure Q, the proposed punishment, Your Lordship, 21/5/2010.
What is the date?
21/5/2010, Your Lordship.
21/5/2010.
10, Your Lordship.
How
Something.
can it be prior to this?
एक minute.
Have you passed a final order in a departmental inquiry or not?
Yes, Lordship.
Show us where is the order.
Annexure. That is separate order is nowhere, Your Lordship. We have taken the approval from the department, the Chief Minister, and other formalities have been here, Lordship.
Have you
The practice is that, Your Lordship.
Have you compared a section rule 15 or a 10? They are services. CCS rules.
And the petitioner himself has admitted, Your Lordship, in the further letter, Your Lordship.
Sir,
He has admitted that the punishment was awarded to him.
Show us the punishment order.
The separate punishment order is nowhere, Your Lordship. We have communicated to the Accountant General, Your Lordship.
Then I will allow the petition with exemplary cost.
But that is the practice, in fact, Your
That is
Lordship.
practice. Then I will pass an order. That is the practice if it is.
That fact has been.
Have you compared rule 18 of the CCS rule? Read with rule 43 2B or something of pension rules.
That requires, Your Lordship. That seems not to be, Your Lordship. So,
What is the
but we have followed entire thing, Your Lordship.
Sure, sir. Rule 18 has been followed. And a penalty order has been passed. In how many judgments you want an order that each and every disciplinary authority and appointing authority or heads of the department were required to follow CCS rule?
There is a judgment, Your Lordship, that
Correct,
we have
sir.
to follow.
Why they are not following? They are in.
The matter is to 2000.
Are they in collusion with the officials?
No,
Just to help the officials who is facing departmental inquiry? All these things are done. In most of the cases, article of charges were issued without a list of witnesses, list of documents, without statement of imputation, and presenting officer is not appointed. What is wrong with the officials who are all IAS officers? Do you know what they do? Whenever a file is put up, they will say that just discuss, note put up, note approved, note not approved. Other than this, have they make any attempt to apply their mind with reference to CCS rules and law? Who is going to pay the taxpayers' money? In the present case, you have to shut down taxpayer money. Lakhs of rupees is required to be given to the petitioner because of a mistake committed by the then erring officers.
But insofar as communication is there, Your Lordship, we have communicated.
Where is the order, sir? Where is the penalty order? I am going to impose 1 lakh rupees exemplary cost in this matter. This is a fit case for imposing exemplary cost.
But Your Lordship, I may allow to place one document, Your Lordship. The representation filed by the petitioner, Your Lordship, he himself has admitted that
he may admit anything, sir. That is not permissible under CCS rule. Yes, take down. On 18/8/2022, the following order was passed. To stop in the instant petition, petitioner has prayed for the following relief. Undisputed facts are that the petitioner was subjected to disciplinary proceedings while he was in service, and it has reached up to the stage of issuance of a second show cause notice and furnishing of explanation/reply on behalf of the petitioner on 3/6/2010 and 28/6/2010 respectively. To stop. Thereafter, the disciplinary authority/appointing authority proceeded to adopt a short circuit method to the extent of withholding of 100% pension. To that effect, a communication has been made to the Office of the Accountant General. Full stop. Next paragraph. It is astonished to know that disciplinary authority, who is an IAS officer, without completing the disciplinary inquiry which was launched against the petitioner under Bihar CCS Rules, 2005, read with Bihar Pension Rules, insofar as the passing of a final order in a disciplinary proceedings pursuant to the inquiring officer's report, second show cause notice dated 3/6/2010 and petitioner's reply dated 28/6/2010. Full stop. Even to this day, the disciplinary authority has not opened his or her eyes to pass a final order in a disciplinary proceedings in terms of Rule 18 of the CCS Rules 2005, read with Rule 43B of Bihar Pension Rules. Full stop. On the other hand, unnecessarily the petitioner's pension, 100% pension has been forfeited. Full stop. In the light, next paragraph. In the light of these facts and circumstances, the petitioner is entitled to all retired benefits if it is not paid to him. Further, he is entitled to pension from the day he has attained age of superannuation and retired from service till date, and he is entitled to monthly pension from time to time till passing of a final order in a departmental inquiry which was launched against the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner is permitted to file additional reply to the second show cause notice in view of later development. Full stop. Such reply, additional reply / explanation to the second show cause notice be submitted within a period of 2 months from today. Full stop. On receipt of additional reply, if any, submitted, if any, the disciplinary authority is hereby directed to pass a detailed speaking order in terms of provisions of CCS Rules 2005 read with the Bihar pension
Rules.
Provisions. The above exercise shall be completed within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of the petitioner's additional reply against the second show cause notice. Full stop. Next paragraph. The official respondents have not adhered to the CCS rules read with Bihar pension rules. Pursuant to the inquiry, disciplinary proceedings launched against the petitioner and adopted short circuit method of deducting 100% pension while writing a letter to the accountant general. Full stop. That apart, it is to be noticed that even a communication has not been made to the petitioner that his 100% pension would be withheld / notice.
Your Lordship, insofar as communication is concerned, Your Lordship.
Full stop. In view of these lapses on the part of the state official respondents, the state of Bihar is hereby directed to state of Bihar respondent concerned department are hereby directed to pay cost of rupees 1 lakh. Full stop. Cost shall be remitted in the High Court Legal Service Authority within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of this order. With the above observation, writ petition stands.
Insofar as communication is concerned, Your Lordship, that knowledge is with the petitioner, Your Lordship. He himself has admitted in his representation, Your Lordship.
All right.
My Lord, only one thing, my Lord. The disciplinary authority is not the IAS officer, my Lord. It is the government, my Lord, who is the disciplinary authority. The chief
Who is the disciplinary authority?
The Chief Minister, my Lord. Is the
Chief Engineer.
Chief Minister. Because
Chief Minister.
the final signature is
No,
of
it is a government.
Yes, my lord. Therefore, my lord, it is not that IAS
Then
officer
you
is not.
mention IAS slash
Yes,
state government.
yes, my lord. That's all right.
What was the post held by the petitioner?
He was deputy secretary to the government, and he was entitled to be promoted as a joint secretary, but that was kept in sealed cover.
But insofar, one point, Your Lordship, my annexure Q is there, Your Lordship. The Chief Minister have given approval, Your Lordship, for holding of that punishment, pension, Your Lordship.
Sir, we are concerned only with the penalty order. Show us the penalty orders.
He has only put his signature, neither accepting nor rejecting.
When the secretariat level could not understand CCS rules and Bihar pension rules, then how do you expect a district collector or a collectorate and heads of the department would aware of these rules? When are you going to hold classes for those people? How to implement CCS rules and pension rules?
All right, Your Lordship.
Time and again I have already passed the order. Please conduct refresher courses for heads of the department and secretariat level to follow the CCS rules and all. Ultimately, you are going to lose. The taxpayers' money is being wasted in this fashion.
Personal appearance may be
So, when the case itself is disposed, there is a question. What is his name?
B. Rajendra, Principal Secretary, GAD, General Administration Department.
Take down in the initially itself, the pursuant to the so and so order, the Mr. So and so is present in the court. He fairly assisted the State Council.
all right, Your Lordship.